Hi, I'm Drayton, Works Director at Precision Turn Parts. The company's been on this site for over 20 years, predominantly doing large batch work of engineering components. We do sub-assemblies as well. It was by chance I found Original Gauge because the customer that we use has special threads, non-standard threads rather. So I looked around and I could only find a couple of people that were interested in quoting on them, but found them by chance on LinkedIn. But having been in touch and spoken to them, realised that they used to be Coventry Gauge. In actual fact, they've made some of the gauges for this customer in the past. So it was a no-brainer. And we find they're local, they're really good, they come back to us quick on quotes, and the quality is amazing. So, you know, there's no need to go anywhere else as long as they can supply them. I see this as a long-term venture because we've been making lots of parts for a few companies many years, and they don't always come up regular. But every time they come up, we'll need from now on to supply gauges. So I see this, you know, this partnership carrying on.